Hello, Namaste, welcome to my channel Different Strokes by Swati. Today I'm going to introduce Miss Roshmin and let us start. Hi Roshmin, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hi, namaste.
Namaste. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty well. Thank you so much. I hope you are also doing very well.
Yes. Roshmin, where are you from actually?
Actually, I'm from Afghanistan. I did my bachelor degree in English literature in Afghanistan, and currently I'm pursuing my MBA in Hyderabad, India.
Hyderabad. Okay, so why you have chosen India apart from other country?
Obviously, we all know that India is one of the best country in terms of education. So that was one of my dream actually, that I want to continue my study in India. So that was the main reason which I selected India for continue my education.
Okay, you said that you are doing your masters, right? So you are
Exactly.
doing your masters in which course?
I'm doing my master's in MBA Tourism and Hospitality Management.
Okay, how does it help for you in your career?
Actually, since my childhood, even I can say that I was very passionate about being a very outstanding manager and also to work with management sector. So that's why I selected MBA. And if I talk about this course, tourism and hospitality management, so I just wanted to experience something very new in my life. So that's why I selected tourism and hospitality management, and I'm pretty sure that after completing of tourism and hospitality management, I will be able to launch my own business and work with this sector.
Okay, you said that you wanted to launch your own business. So where you are going to launch? Whether in India or Afghanistan?
I will see right now. I'm thinking to launch my business in my own country, Afghanistan, because my people really need for such kind of business. So I want to launch my business and I want to open one travel agency, or might I can work with hotels also. But if I had some opportunities, so I'm ready to work in India as well.
Oh, okay. So what did you find in difference between places? I mean, have you visited any place at India?
Yeah. As a matter of fact, we can see that each country has its own beauty and attractions. So I also found India very beautiful country and very incredible country. Unfortunately, yes, for first 6 months which I was here in India, I have visited some beautiful places. I visited Solar Jung Museum and also Usain Sagar and some national park as well, and that was really great and amazing place.
Okay. Roshmin, apart from visiting the places, I heard that you were going for the meetings.
Yes, ma'am.
So what kind of meetings, I mean, what kind of motivation classes you have given?
Yeah. Actually, sometimes I'm going to some colleges and also some schools and as a guest lecturer, and I'm giving some motivational lectures for them, and also regarding to my course, tourism and hospitality sector as well. And all the time they invited me as an international guest, which I'm already living in India. So I'm just giving some motivational speeches for them.
What place have you visited in your country? What is your favorite place in your country?
In my country, might some of you know that Afghanistan is one of the mountainous country which is located among all the mountains. And also Afghanistan has many beautiful places. And I have visited Karga, which is one of the most beautiful places in Afghanistan, and that's one of the very big river in Afghanistan, and also Paghman, which is one of the huge garden in Afghanistan, and also Herat, which is the historical provinces of Afghanistan, and also many more places I have visited in my own country.
Okay, Rashmin, if I come to your place, Afghanistan, where you will take to me first?
First, first of all, I will take you in my own city. Currently, I'm living in Mazar Sharif. Mazar is one of the beautiful city of Afghanistan actually. And so first of all, I will take you in my own city and all around my own city, and after that, I will take you to Pavmon, Karga, and capital of Afghanistan for sure, Kabul. So I will take you for many provinces of Afghanistan.
Roshmin, have you found any same in food items? Like, what are the food items we are having spicy? So, how about your dishes at Afghanistan?
Yeah, actually, some common foods are here. Like I can say chicken, like the way that Indian people are cooking. So we also cook the same way, but the main differences, as you mentioned, is spicy. So Indian people are prefer to eat very spicy foods, but for Afghan people, very light and very normal food is okay. And also you have some desserts, some sweets, and we also have such kind of sweets. So yeah, we have some common foods as well. And also one common habits between Afghanistan and India, which I like the most, is hospitality and being very hospitable people.
Thank you.
And I think Afghanistan and India, both countries, are very famous for this manner, for this habit, and I love it very much.
Okay. Rashmin, one more thing. What kind of suggestions you will be giving for the students if they wanted to come from other country, not apart from Afghanistan or any other country, if they wanted to come to India, students wanted to come to India, so what they have to do?
Exactly.
What kind of course they have to select?
Exactly. I can say my suggestion and also my request from all other international students are this, that first of all, if they want to select a specific course, so they have to select according to their passion and interest. If they have interest for a particular course and area, so for sure they will have much more development in the future as well. And also, my suggestion for all international students is this, that they should follow a very particular rule. They should have a very specific goal for their futures, and they should utilize their time very much effectively, because we already know that India is one of the best country for education, and for sure they are coming from very far countries around the world, so they have to utilize their time very effectively. Second, they have to select their goals and aims according to their interests and according to their passion, and for sure they will have very bright future.
Okay, Rushmin, you said that Indian food is very spicy. So foreign students are staying in college, right, in the campus.
Yes.
So how they are maintaining spicy? Whether they are having the same food, spicy food, or for them they arranged other anything.
Exactly, all other foreign students, which they are staying at the hostel, they are preparing their food by themselves only, according to their choice, according to which foods they are prefer. So they are just preparing their foods and serve by their self.
Okay, if I'm feeling hungry, if I ask you to prepare food for me, what food you will prepare for me?
For you, I will prepare our very common food, which is common in Afghanistan also, which is Kabuli palau.
Oh,
This is one of the delicious and very famous food in Afghanistan, which all the time, which international guests enter to Afghanistan, so they want to, for sure, they want to try this food, Kabuli palau. This is one kind of rice with meat, carrot, raisin, and some more masala, and also meat as well. We add, and that's one of the famous and delicious food of Afghanistan. And for sure, I will prepare that for you at first.
thank you so much. Roshmin, did you feel any time that you are lonely? Because you have come from Afghanistan. What was your first experience when you came from Afghanistan to India?
Yeah, very good question. question, ma'am. Actually, I think all the international students would first they enter to another country, so they have some feeling like they're thinking why we came to this country. And for first, I was like them only, so I was thinking how I came to this country, how I can handle all the problems, how I can manage myself with all the other peoples because um, as we know each countries are different with different custom and with different cultures. So I was thinking how I came, why I came, so lots of question in my mind. But slowly when I starting interacting with my classmates and especially with my faculties, so I feel very comfortable. And right now I'm thinking that my college is my second home, and I'm very comfortable with all of my faculties members and my classmates also. And I really appreciate, respect, and love Indian people.
Thank you. And who is your favorite faculty? One. Only one. Favorite faculty.
I think all faculties are my favorite.
Any one name. Any one name. Any one name.
I can't select one of them because I respect all of them, and all faculties are the best for in my life.
Yeah, exactly. But with whom, when you're talking to the faculty, when you're talking with your faculty, with who is the faculty who supports you everything, every time, who supports you every time,
Yeah,
where you feel comfort.
yes, exactly, ma'am. Actually, I'm getting supports from all the faculties, but mainly I'm getting supports from Michelle ma'am and Archana ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's what. Finally, you have revealed the faculty names.
I told like I'm getting supports from all the faculties, but Archana ma'am and Michelle ma'am are two main faculties in our campus that I'm feeling very comfortable with them, and I can share everything with them and like my own family.
Okay. Roshmin, finally, I wanted to ask you what you feel. Okay? India,
Incredible.
Afghanistan,
Historical country.
mom,
My love.
father,
My supporter.
education,
My passion.
favorite food,
Favorite food. Kebab.
favorite friend.
Favorite friend. You mean my classmates? From
Yes.
My classmates?
Yes.
Actually, I like all of them. They are really good people. So I can't select only one from them. Or should I select only one?
Anyone.
Anyone? Sojanya.
Okay. And finally, about me.
You're sweet.
Really?
Really?
Thank you so much, Roshmin. Thanks for your wonderful message.
You're
And
welcome. So, friends, if you liked my interview, please like, share, and subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon so you will get all the update videos by Swati ma'am. So all the best for you all. And at the end, I just want to thank Swati ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity to have an interview with all of you, and just for introducing myself for you all. I wish you all the best for you all.
thank you,
so
Roshmin.
much.